Hi students, let us continue our lesson when people rebel 1857 and after. So last time we have discussed how Britishers fight back against the revolt or the mutiny, and also they learned the lesson. All the activities made by soldiers, peasants, kings, afterwards they learned lesson and they have brought some new policies and they changed the policies. Point number 1, the Act of 1858 passed the power to crown. Means according to this, the power goes to Britain. Crown means Britain crown. There is a queen is there, Victoria. All the power passed to crown or to the Britain. Okay, they control from the Britain. They control India from the Britain. Second policy was Governor General was now known as Viceroy. Before he was Governor General, after this all happened, they made more power to him and they made him more strength and he called as Viceroy. Okay, so these important changes happen after 1857. Aftermath of 1857 means after the revolt, after the mutiny, soldiers mutiny. What happened? The first freedom movement. After what are the changes made by British is called aftermath. Okay. One is the power goes to Britain. Britain Queen Victoria, she started to control over the India, and everything want to do means discuss. They want to take the permission from Britain, then they want to apply here. Second one was Governor General was known as Viceroy. Okay. What? Governor General was known as Viceroy. He become more powerful. Third change is the kings were allowed to rule but under supremacy of Queen of Britain. See, Indian kings were allowed to rule independently. They can be the kings, but it is under the supremacy of Queen of Britain. Already I said the power goes to the Britain. After what? Supreme is Queen of Britain. She is the powerful. Under our Indian kings have to work. See the change. Indian kings have to work under the British Queen. Next one is ratio of British soldiers increased in the British army. The ratio of British soldiers, where the British soldiers are there in India, that number increased because they observed Indian soldiers are start to give trouble. They are not working properly. So many conditions. And they have started mutiny, example Mangal Pandey and other soldiers. That's why what happened, British, the number of soldiers who are working in army, they brought from the Britain so many soldiers and they appointed in their army. Like this, what a ratio of British soldiers increased in the British army. This is point number 3 and point number 1. One is the king were allowed to work under the queen, and next one is they increase the British army. Next changes they have made, that is Sikhs, Gurkhas and Pathans were preferred for the army. See, whoever working Indian army, there also they categorized only Sikhs, Gurkhas and Pathans. They have to work because these people not involved in the first mutiny or what we call revolt of 1857 rebellion group. These people were not there. That's why they given importance for Sikhs, Gurkhas and Pathans. Who are there? Bihar, Awadhis and Central India, they are involved in the 1857 rebellion war. That's why they left them and they added these categories. Okay, like this they have made changes after the math. Next point is land of Muslims was taken away. Actually, this also what the Muslims, they conquered the lands of Muslims and they taken, because we know that in Delhi, Awadh, some Muslim kings, okay, they all involved in 1857 revolt. The king who died in jail and he given support before that to all the kings. This all reasons what happened, British taken the Muslims lands and they taken to their control and they taken to their custody. Like this, what Britishers made changes. This is 5th and 6th point. 7th point is what? British started respecting Indian culture. Here we can see some positive thinking by British, that is British, they start to respect the Indian culture. What is our beliefs were there, customs were there, what we beliefs related God, puja, temple, and those things. They started to respect our Indian culture. They start to believe, and they are not involving. They are not dominating our thoughts now. Okay, zamindars were given right over their land. The landlords are there. They are called as zamindars. British announced that you only have the right over your land. You only owner for that. So we not interfere in your land. Just you pay the tax what you want to pay. All the letters, all the ownership records are there. All yours. Like that. Favorable some points. Okay, here some changes we observing. Around 8 points. But these 2 points were favorable for Indians. One is that is they start to believe, start to respect Indian culture. Next one is zamindars were given right to over their land. They are not troubling to zamindars. Okay, like this they made some changes. So this all about 1857 war. Okay, rebellion war.